Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. The Claude AI goes free setup on Android phone, and today we are going to have a look on how to download and install Claude 3.5 Sonnet free on Android mobile phone. The Claude AI Anthropic is the ChatGPT competitor from Anthropic AI. So to download Claude 3.5 Sonnet version free on your Android phone, please go to Play Store. On the Play Store, let's search for Claude 3.5 Sonnet. I get Claude by Anthropic. So let's go ahead and install Claude. It will download and it will install Claude by Anthropic on my Android phone. So let's discover the power of Claude AI by Anthropic free on Android phone. So it's installed. Let's go ahead and open it. Once you will go and open the Claude, this will ask you that if you have an email address registered with Claude, you can enter that email address here. And if you want to continue with your Google account set up on your Android phone, you can go directly continue with Google. So I have set up the Claude account in my previous videos. If you want to see that, please go ahead and explore my other videos about Claude added in video description. So here, let me log in with my email. We are here supposed to show you about Claude features that are free totally on Android phone. So it sent a code on my email. Let me take the code for Claude login. Okay, let's click on sign in Claude AI from my email. It's verifying my link and getting me to the Claude, and I am logged in to the Claude successfully. That's perfect. Now in the free version of Claude we have different options. Let's first ask Claude, hi, how are you? Just to verify. Okay, that's perfect. Here we could also record an audio to send message to Claude. We can speak for up to 10 minutes in the free version. We can choose a language to speak in, and here I want to choose the language English. That's fine. I have to allow access. Okay, the next option we want to see here that we can attach different attachments to Claude from our photos, and Claude will analyze those photos. Also, we have an option to attach a file, if that is Excel, Word or PDF, and Claude will analyze those PDF or Word or any files that we required. The next option we can see here, let's go to this plus icon, and here we have the option for Claude that we can click the photo and we can ask Claude to analyze that photo for us, or we can ask Claude to write a content for us on the basis of photos, on the basis of PDF, on the basis of everything we need. Let's go back and try to explore few different options of Claude 3.5 Sonnet. We can go to new chat here, that will be new topic. We can go directly to profile, and here we have the options to upgrade to Pro, changing the language, changing the profile setting or name, or updating profile, or deleting an account. The next option here we have artifacts. We can ask Claude to generate content like code snippet, text documents or website design, and Claude will create an artifact that appear in a dedicated sheet alongside your conversation. Perfect. The next option we have here is billing. Currently we are in free plan, but we can upgrade to Pro from here, and we can also go to learn about Pro. Let's see, upgrade to Pro, and here we have details about upgrading, that what we will get in updating the Claude. So I'm not supposed to upgrade the Claude right now here, as this video is just for your understanding. Let's go back, and we can also go to learn more about the Pro. This will take us to the web URL, and we can learn more about Claude here on the Claude official website. Let's go back again. Let's go back, and the last option we have here, log out. I could log out of my email from Claude, In this exclamation sign, we have consumer term, acceptable use policy, privacy policy, and licensing and help and support also, and the variant information. Perfect. Let's go here, and here we have the chat option. We also have create a project to organize and customize chat with Claude around a topic or set of documents. So this is also asking us to upgrade to use project. But still we can do a lot in free version of Claude. Now let's go ahead into new chat and check an example for Claude. I want Claude give me 5 ideas to decorate my balcony. Okay. Now Claude said that I will provide some practical and creative idea to decorate your balcony, and Claude gave me 5 ideas with perfect explanation. Now let's go back to the main screen, and here we have our records or history that we have discussed with Claude. You can see under chats balcony decor ideas. Perfect. We will also have this in our history. So that's it about using Claude 3.5 Sonnet version free on the Android phone. I hope you enjoyed this 2D point video. Thanks for watching, and keep watching for more free and beneficial stuff that will help you either in IT or any other field of your life. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.